Over the last decade, India Chem has established itself as much sought after event by the business community, the policy makers and the academicians. Responding to the suggestions from the chemical industry, Department of Chemicals and Petrochemicals, along with Government of Gujarat, IndexBee and Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry, FICCI, organized the first international exhibition and conference on fine specialty chemicals, agrochemicals, colorants and chemical technology. India Chem, Gujarat 2009, from 12th to 14th December 2009 in Ahmedabad, Gujarat at Gujarat University Ground. After 5 global shows in Delhi and Mumbai, the show debuted at the chemical hub of the country, Gujarat.
वैल्यू एडिशन के माध्यम से आज गुजरात को केमिकल क्षेत्र में बहुत बड़ा नाम दे दिया है। मित्रों, हम केमिकल इंडस्ट्री गुजरात में और आगे बढ़ने वाली है, पनपने वाली है।
Gujarat always was the leader in industries, but lately, because of the best quality infrastructure, we have taken a lead in the growth rate of the country.
Indian chemical industry has been recording a sales growth of nearly about 8%. So it's a very sizable industry that we have, and well, now there are already signs of the recession, going away, and we should be doing well.
Gujarat, besides all its USPs for good governance, it is the chemical hub for the country. So therefore it is appropriate that India Chem Gujarat 2009 is being held here.
Spread over 5,000 square meters, India Chem Gujarat had more than 100 quality participating companies, including foreign participation, and over 6,000 business visitors from over 25 countries visited the exhibition.
Generally, we have been going to the exhibitions where most of the original equipment manufacturers are there, but we found ultimately we have to reach the end users.
India Chem in Gujarat is very proud taking event for us.
FICCI has organized a very big exhibition cum conference to promote chemical industry of India, and it was a good opportunity that we took part in it.
Yes, definitely. Gujarat, this time in Gujarat is a good idea because we see there is a lot of smaller customer base in Gujarat which do not tend to travel out.
We are absolutely going to take part in the next chemical exhibition in Gujarat because I think your Chief Minister is also very, very dynamic and has a great vision about the state as a whole, and the people has been very welcome, and we have also got a lot of business opportunities.
India Chem also we are participating year by year, as well as all such exhibitions do help, and we'll continue to do that.
India Chem is a very good event. It's an important event. It's a very excellent facility, this here in Ahmedabad. It's very, very impressive, I have to say. And India Chem is an important event for us. It's bringing everybody together.
From this perspective, how and participation at an event like say 2011 India Chem would affect your business or would take it forward?
The highlight of the show was also a very focused and meaningful conference and seminar attended by over 175 delegates and 27 eminent speakers from various specialized fields. Concurrently, a buyer-seller meet was organized by ChemExcel, attended by more than 50 international buyers.
गुजरात में जो काफ़ी ये एग्जिबिटर्स में काफ़ी गुजरात के बाहर के भी कंपनी आई है तो उसको 100% उसको सफलता मिलेगी.
We have organized a buyer-seller, a reverse buyer-seller meet, wherein people from 28 countries have come, and that is doing very well.
After this first successful India Chem Gujarat, it's time to keep yet another appointment with success and growth. See you there.